Swear when we first met 3 years ago, I had so much to teach you. And I was gonna teach you how to shave and how to do your hygiene and how to cook and how to cope. It turns out that over 3 years, you've actually taught me a lot. You've taught me what perspective is. You've taught me what it looks like to practice loving people unconditionally. You've taught me to be more mature. You know what I mean? And you've taught me what it looks like to really care for others. And I know, I get it. I've set up 2 plates, right, for Thanksgiving. And you're not across the table from me. But this is the impact you've had on my life, where I want to be able to share these little moments with you, even though I'll probably never meet you. But I'll still pray for you before I go to bed at night. And I'll still look at your messages and beam when you tell me something really, really awesome, and commiserate with you and be sad with you when you're going through something as well. But my life is much better. My life is much better with you in it. And so I just wanted to say I'm thankful for you. Really, I'm thankful for you. For sitting through all the cringy videos and eating dinner to a screen, because you truly made me a better human being. So, happy Thanksgiving. I love you so much, and God bless you. Until next time, bye-bye.